Lian's kitchen. Today let's make Chinese New Year cake. Nian Gao. This was my favorite dessert when I was little. My grandma makes this every New Year. She would make a very big New Year cake. I want to share my recipe with you. Let's get started. Here, all the ingredients. The exact amount is in the description box. Let's start by heating up water. Then add brown candy in the water. Bring the mixture to a boil. And then remove from the heat. Let it cool for 1 hour. Next, we slowly add the mixture into the glutinous rice flour. Make sure you whisk while mixing the ingredients. The mixture is ready when it's smooth. Now put some oil in the baking pan. Use the paper towel to spread it evenly. And then add the batter in. Chop it a few times to release the air bubbles. Now it's time to steam it. Cover the foil to keep the moisture out. Steam for 1 hour. Poke the metal to make sure it's cooked all the way through. Let it cool for 5 hours before put in the refrigerator overnight. Now we cut it and we can eat it or pan fry it. Add some oil in the medium heat pan. Now add the cake and brown both sides. Remove from the pan and it's done. Wow, looks good. Time for a taste test. Look, I am wearing red. It symbolizes good luck. Nian Gao, bring your abundance, good luck, and good fortune. It is sweet, soft, and a little bit chewy. The texture is very good. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Happy New Year, everybody! 再见。